Hey there, Blake here, the drink chef and your personal bartender. And today, I'd like to show you how I make my Cosmopolitans. Okay, and as always, I'll begin with the serving glass. A chilled Martini glass, in this case, and I'm gonna garnish that with a wedge of lime. And now we'll build the drink into a 16-ounce mixing glass full of ice, and I'll take my vodka, and I'm gonna pour 1.5 ounces of vodka. Okay, now I'll take some triple sec, and I'm gonna pour 3/4 ounce of triple sec. Okay, now cranberry juice, 1.5 ounces. And key ingredient here is lime juice. I'm going to pour 3/4 ounce of lime juice. We're going to give this a little shake. And we are ready to serve. You'll notice that this drink is not too light pink, but also not too ruby red. It's just the right color. This is a great Cosmopolitan. Cheers from the drink chef.